मैंने तुम्हें संतुलन के प्रतीक तक पहुंचाया है। अब जल्द जो मुझे चाहिए उससे मुझ तक पहुंचाओ।
न्यू बिग पिक्चर छोटा भीम, किरमाड़ा और जुहू कयामत शुरू संडे सुबह 11:30 बजे सिर्फ पोगो पर।
But no harm in checking it out.
Okay, so you two are over here. I'll keep it with me. This looks like a magical statue and not an ordinary.
We heard Kalia screaming and shouting, so we came here to see whether Kalia has landed up in some trouble or not.
Hey Raju, I don't need any of you to come and take care of me. I am now extremely powerful.
I see. So come on, how about?
Relax. Now let's make a move, guys.
Beam, I somehow have a feeling that some object is glowing over there. Huh?
Who are you two?
My name is Dhoom, and this is my dear brother Dham.
Somehow I don't think that this statue is magical or anything.
Guys, look, what's over there?
We are getting very late now, Dham. It's a monstrous centipede, which is coming out from that door slowly.
What are we supposed to do to stop all this?
I'll tell you. You somehow need to break that statue. But just as you start breaking that magical statue, that monstrous centipede will straight away pounce upon you. But don't you worry at all. Both of us will attack that monster before anyone else and will take him very far away from you.
But I don't know how will we break that statue.
Keep this gauntlet with you. You take care of yourself, Bhim. Dhoom, keep him occupied, will you?
Bhim, what's that you are holding in your hand? This is the weapon Bhim is going to use now to break that crystal statue. All right.
Both of us together will try to break this statue. Are you ready? Punch! Crush this crystal statue!
Greetings, my lord.
So, Captain, all set for setting sail?
Now, since the winds are favorable, of course.
That's great. Never lose hope, Sam. Well, kids, please start right away. Take care of yourself and all the others, Bhim.
Sure, my lord.
Sosuke? Nani Yoshite Masuka?
Nanny? Sugar? Why do you want a nanny to steal sugar from anyone?
Oji Sosuke, Sam? Sam! So these two are your friends, huh?
Yes, and even them. Hey guys, this is my paternal uncle Sosuke. He's a very renowned chef in Japan.
Well, Sam, anyone can guess that from this yummy aroma.
Looks like all your friends are very hungry, Sam. Come on, let me first introduce all of them to some local cuisine. Come. Soba and udon are Japanese noodle soup.
Noodles are our favorite. We love the loopy loop.
And here comes some crispy tempura.
They taste so yummy. We may need some extra.
Sushi sashimi. Sonkatsu shabu shabu.
Now the confusion is with which one we start to.
But before you start eating all this food, learning to use the chopsticks would be good.
You always keep on lecturing others on etiquettes, Bheem, and you yourself are burping so loudly. Huh?
Please excuse me, uncle.
No, it's okay, Bheem. In fact, your burping is equal to praising my food.
Oishi katta desu. The food was really very tasty. Thanks, Uncle Sosuke.
I'm happy that you guys liked it. Sam? Well, I wanted to ask you whether there has been any improvement in your grandpa's health or not.
Improvement in health? What do you mean?
Oh, so you don't know about it?
Well, I was traveling.
I see. No wonder. I just got the news yesterday that your town Yagyu faced a deadly attack recently. Many of the buildings over there have been destroyed, and even the samurai training center wasn't spared.
And my grandpa?
He got injured while he was trying to save the same samurai training center. A couple of traders gave me this sad news. This was all I could gather from them.
I should have been there to protect him, else this wouldn't have happened.
But wasn't that your reason to come to Dholakpur, Sam? Don't lose heart. We'll reach and help out your grandpa very soon.
Uncle, can you get us a few horses to reach to Yagyu quickly?
Yes, I can. Osaka is one of the most important cities of Japan, kids. There are so many beautiful monuments and places out here that they are worth visiting. And hey kiddos, just look at this. This is one of the oldest, or you can say ancient temples of Japan. Sumiyoshi Taisha. Come.
What are these, Uncle?
Lamps made of stone. There are 600 such lamps or lanterns out here. This is Istaisha, the most important section of this temple. Due to its unique design and stunning ancient architecture, this temple is considered as one of the prime national monuments of Japan.
If this is a temple, which gods and goddesses are worshipped here?
Well, there are idols of many gods in this temple, like these out here. They appear in the form of animals. For instance, lion, dog, wolf, etc. But you know, they all have godly powers in them. Sam, Bheem, even you both have embarked upon the noble journey of protecting the peace and prosperity of Iga province. Why don't you offer your prayers to these gods and seek their blessings?
Oh, cat god, what do you protect?
Come on, Bheem. Arigato. Aoto-san. Thanks a lot. Sayonara, uncle.
Sayonara, kiddos. Bye-bye.